Hello friends, if you are planning to install a new false ceiling, here are the pros and cons that will help you decide what to go for. Plaster of Paris and gypsum are essentially composed of gypsum, a naturally occurring mineral. Both contains calcium sulfate's hydrate form, but their water content in a molecule differs from each other. Gypsum and POP have some qualities which are common. They are lightweight, heat insulating, and fire retardant. Gypsum POP composition. Gypsum is a naturally occurring mineral. Gypsum is mainly formed from precipitation of marine water. Plaster of Paris is manufactured. POP is made up from gypsum. POP is formed when gypsum boards, including certain additives, are heated up to 175 degrees Celsius and then powdered. State: gypsum board is the hardened solid board of gypsum. POP is the powdered state of gypsum. How it is made? Gypsum plaster board is made up from a mixture of different content, measured with great accuracy, which reduces the risk of bad quality in comparison to POP. Gypsum board is factory manufactured from gypsum with water and few additives sandwiched between paper. POP is manually made and has the risk of wrong proportions in the mixture. Form: gypsum boards or panels come in a prefabricated ready to install form, whereas POP comes in powder form and it has to be mixed with water at site during application. Durability: gypsum boards are fixed with screws to a metal frame that is attached to the ceiling slab. For long-term durability, make sure that you opt for only good quality metal frames that are rust proof. POP is more durable than gypsum board. Since the same material is used for filling joints, it does not show cracks easily. Installation: gypsum boards can easily be attached to the steel mesh frames using screws. The process of mixing the contents of a POP false ceiling on site is a messy and lengthy process that requires a lot of cleaning afterwards. Chemical composition: gypsum contains calcium sulfate dihydrate, that is CaSO4 2H2O, whereas POP contains calcium sulfate hemihydrates, that is CaSO4 half H2O. Decorative purpose: gypsum board is used in straight covering purpose, whereas POP is in powder form, so it can be used as a joint filling, void filling, and making molding and cornice to decorate modern design. Installation time: gypsum board takes less time in installation. Installing POP false ceiling is a time consuming process. Cost: gypsum false ceiling is expensive as compared to POP false ceiling. POP is cheaper than gypsum false ceiling. Risk of cracking: lower risk of cracking as compared to POP, whereas in case of POP there is a higher risk of cracking. Wastage: in case of gypsum false ceiling there is a low wastage as compared to POP and generates less dust during execution. In case of POP false ceiling, a lot of POP mixture is wasted in the application process and it requires adequate drying time. Cleanliness: installing gypsum plaster board is clean, much efficient and healthy with very less dust and untidiness as compared to POP false ceiling. Doing a POP false ceiling is not only time consuming but also messy, dusty and gives an unpolished feel. Time: installing gypsum plaster board is a faster process as compared to POP. To create a POP false ceiling could take almost a month's time. Quality: in case of gypsum false ceiling, since the mixture is made with precision in factory conditions, the quality remains consistent in boards of good brands. In case of POP, unless the mixture is prepared correctly in the right proportions of POP and water, it will be of inferior quality and might shrink or crack. For long-term durability, make sure that only skilled workers mix and prepare the POP mixture at site. Moisture: one of the main reasons why gypsum boards are used for false ceiling is because of its inertness towards water. If moisture seeps into the gypsum ceiling through leaking roofs or air conditioning drain pipes, it may result in fungal growth or cause warping. As a precaution, opt for only good brands of gypsum board like India Gypsum, which allow minimum water retention. While doing POP false ceiling, the ceiling cannot be installed when the POP surface is moist. The problem especially occurs during the monsoon season. You must allow the POP to dry completely before installation. POP will fall down immediately if there is any leakage in roof. Skilled labor. Both require skilled labor, but in case of POP it is more advisable. Strength. Gypsum plaster board has more strength as compared to POP. The POP powder is applied on chicken net that provides mechanical strength, but POP is weaker as compared to gypsum board. Flexibility. Gypsum boards offer less flexibility in design as compared to POP. Unlike gypsum board, plaster of Paris offers great flexibility in designs and can be molded into different curved shapes. Also, POP is ideal for designing cornices. So friends, I hope I have covered all the differences between gypsum and POP false ceiling in this video.